have wondered how the 1795 parts of the CMC Ferrari 250LM models are assembled. Today, we'll take the installation of an interior door, trim decorative lighting as an example to give you a sense of the details and processes involved in crafting such a precision models. A single stainless steel decorative pin measures 1.8 millimeters in length and 0.6 millimeters in diameter. One door requires 16 such pins, and with 2 doors per car, a total of 32 pins need to be installed. First, use tweezers to pick up pins vertically. Apply adhesive to its 1 mm long neck. Then carefully insert the pin into the corresponding hole on the door trim. For someone inexperienced, it is difficult even to grip the pin's neck with the tip of the tweezers, even if successfully held. Maintaining a vertical alignment to the hole is challenging if the movement is too slow. The adhesive may dry before the pin is placed. If the pin is inserted haphazardly rather than vertically, it will not reach the bottom of the hole and will fail to secure the trim to the door. In such cases, the pin must be removed and reinserted, then pressed firmly into the trim with the back of the tweezers to ensure it stays firmly in place. For beginners, simply picking up any pins. Working with tweezers is difficult, let alone completing all 32 pins for one door trim. The pin installation follows strict technical requirements. First, every pin must be pressed fully to the bottom of its hole to properly secure the door trim to the door. Second, once installed, the pins must sit evenly on the surface of the trim, aligned neat without any height variation. Third, the pins must remain clean and shiny to serve their decorative purpose. Finally, the door trimming surface must be free of any adhesive residue after installation. During subsequent quality inspections, even if the door is tapped against a foam pads, not a single pins should come loose. Only when all these criteria are met can the decorative pin installations were considered read successful. Can you imagine how long it takes to install all 32 pins for one model car? With such rigorous standards, installing the decorative pins on just the 2 doors requires about 20 minutes.